We are Aquaforno, and this is the Aquaforno II. Since 2011, we've been making award-winning telescopic multi-stoves designed to be used with wood, charcoal or gas all year round. The Aquaforno II is the perfect stove for everyone who enjoys spending time and cooking in the great outdoors. It's like a kitchen in a backpack, so you can cook your meals, keep warm, and even have your hot drinks on tap. We originally came up with the idea because we wanted to make pizzas for our daughters while camping, but couldn't with a standard barbecue. The Aquaforno II has now evolved to be a world-class product after years of R&D and listening to feedback from our customers.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Unlike most outdoor barbecues or fire pits, the Aquaforno II is incredibly versatile. The unique patented design gives you so many cooking choices from one simple collapsible unit. Fancy a hot drink? Simply filling the side tank with water, in just minutes you can be enjoying a hot coffee. The sidearms are perfect for getting things dry. You can bake anything from pizza to breads and puddings. It's great for feeding small groups or large parties. You can grill, fry or saute, or cook your Sunday roast. Another unique feature is to smoke all foods from meats to fish, or even use the rotisserie. The kids will love the sweet treats, like freshly toasted brioche. It's perfect whether you're camping, hunting, or at home in the garden, on a day out, or tailgating at the game. And even warm your soul with mulled wine on tap. The initial feedback from our customers has been brilliant, but we need your help to enable volume production for the first time.